Hi, in this video, we are going to tell you how to use the My Mutual Fund Watchlist, that is the My MF Watchlist feature in the My StockEdge section. Now, as by now, most of you would have known that this is basically a feature which helps you to track a group of mutual fund schemes just like in stocks in the My Watchlist section. So the question is, why should we use this feature? Since there are more than 44 AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Funds in India, registered fund houses which together offer more than 2500 mutual fund schemes in the markets, it becomes very difficult at times to track most of the schemes. So what you can do is create multiple watch lists in order to track them. For example, let's say you want to track some schemes based on different parameters. For example, it can be mid-cap funds or large-cap funds. So all you need to do is create watch list with the respective names and then add the schemes into them. Now once you add the schemes into the watch list, you can see the net asset value, asset under management and the category of the fund. You can also track the return by clicking on the different time frames given in the screen. You can add up to 50 schemes in one watch list. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create multiple watch lists and track the mutual fund schemes easily by adding it into your watch list. Thank you for watching.